Hello, my name is Jorge Ordóñez.
My name is Mariela,
And I'm Lorenda Villarreal.
and we are dissecting a lamprey today.
Yes, we are.
Yes. Alright, this is our lamprey, and we'll be dissecting it. First, we'll start off with integumentary system. The integumentary system is the skin. Our lamprey has slippery, smooth skin as opposed to scaly skin as a fish. Right here, these are the eyes, and on top of that we have the nostril. And if you look closely, you can see the gills right here. There should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll get a better look at the gills once we open it up. Alright, and here we have the gills. They're very feathery, right here, both sides. And in the gills, we have blood that's pumped into them via the heart. The blood is then ventilated inside of there, and then after it's been oxygenated, it'll pump back into the heart, and then the water is taken out by the external gills, which we saw earlier. Alright, here we have the notochord, and it's running throughout the body. The notochord gives structure and it allows it to be flexible. Without the cord, it would be limp.
And here's the digestive system. We start with the mouth. The mouth is used as a suction cup to hold onto the host. The teeth, look at those teeth. They're used to dig into the flesh. Then the tongue, it's a raspy tongue. It's used to scoop the flesh and eat it. They mostly intake fluids, so they don't have a need for stomach. But the fluids, they keep on coming out. They secrete an enzyme to prevent the blood from clotting. Look at the size of those teeth, and they just keep going and going.
Here we have the esophagus, and that's a tube that leads from the mouth to the anterior intestine. Right here we have the liver, and that detoxifies and filters blood, and it also produces bile to emulsify fats. The intestine are located in this area. They absorb nutrients as stomach would, and they also go from the esophagus to the cochlea. Here's a shot after the intestine has been pulled out. This is the brain. It is responsible for motor coordination, translating sensory information, and autonomic functions such as heart rate. The brain consists of 2 regions, the forebrain and the hindbrain. We have the spinal cord, and this runs alongside the notochord. The spinal cord is the neural highway responsible for transmitting electrical impulses from the brain to the rest of the body. And we also have the sensory organs, which are located around the brain. The olfactory bulb are used for smelling, and then we also have the pineal body. In the circulatory system, we have the heart, and the heart lies between the gills and the liver. The heart is a 2-chambered heart, which consists of the atrium and the ventricle. This type of heart helps the lamprey live in its aquatic environment because it separates oxygenated blood from the deoxygenated blood. The heart pumps blood throughout the body.
In the reproductive system, we have eggs spread out through the entire lamprey, like this and this. Had it been male, there would have been gonads somewhere around here.
Here in the excretory system, we have the kidneys. Here and here. There are two long, thin flaps of tissue hanging from the dorsal wall of the body cavity. Their function is excretion of hydrophilic substances, water, and nitrous gases.